Hi everybody, let's talk about how to use Binance P2P buy crypto with cash. So to buy crypto with cash in Binance P2P, you must use specific cash supported payment options like cash deposit to bank, cash plus, or cash in person to fund your transaction directly with the merchant. So first you have to choose your cash payment method. Binance P2P separates cash transactions into distinct types based on how you want to hand over the physical money. If you wish to deposit the cash to a bank, you physically walk into the merchant's bank branch or use a smart ATM to deposit cash directly into the account, which is the safest way to handle cash trades remotely. The next is Cash Plus or Cash In, where you deposit cash at an authorized local physical store or merchant counter. The next is Cash in Person, where you physically hand cash to the seller. Note that this features strict geographical availability and carries higher physical safety risk. Now, to buy crypto with cash, what you have to do is head to your Binance app and then log into your account. Now tap Add Funds or Deposit on the home screen and then select P2P Trading. Now set the trade toggle to buy and select the crypto asset you want. And then choose your local fiat currency from the top right corner, then tap Payment Method to open the filter menu. Now search for and select Cash Deposit to Bank, Cash Plus, or Cash in Person. Now select a trusted merchant and place order. Once you do that, deposit the cash and notify the seller. Tap View Payment Details to see the seller's banking or location details. You can also use the built-in chat window to coordinate with the seller. Ask them if they require a specific reference note or an ID verification before you leave. Now execute the payment. Then go back to the Binance order page and tap the Transfer Notify Seller button. Then upload a photo of your paper cash deposit receipt or transaction voucher into the chat window as proof of payment and then receive your crypto. The crypto assets will instantly arrive in your funding wallet. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.